The way HR teams use BambooHR is completely changing. Most HR teams already have data inside BambooHR, but what do they do today? They open the tool, search manually, and then reply. But with this AI workflow, one message, one click, and the answer is done. It's a complete game changer for HR. And this wasn't just a generic answer. The AI actually pulled my real data from BambooHR. This is exactly where HR teams are heading right now. AI connected directly to HR systems. And if your HR team is still doing this manually, opening tools, replying one by one, you're already behind. Because HR is no longer just managing tools. AI is starting to use those tools for them. Let me show you how to connect your AI agent to BambooHR and turn it into a real-time HR assistant. Because once you see this, you won't look at HR workflows the same way again. Let's log into Workativ, go to AI agent. Now head to Actions. Click Configure New Action. Select BambooHR. Now you can choose any action, like employee data, benefits, payroll. Next, connect your account. Click New Account, add connection name. Now go to BambooHR. Generate your API key, add the access token, enter domain name, and save. And just like that, your AI agent is now connected to BambooHR, which means it's no longer guessing answers. It's pulling real employee data. Now let's test this. Imagine I'm an employee, and I type this, "Hi, what's my benefits deduction?" And instantly it replies, it greets me, understands my request, and pulls data directly from BambooHR. This isn't just a chatbot. This is an AI agent taking action using real data. And this is just one use case. You can connect leaves, employee data, and automate everything. You can also connect this to Slack and deploy it so your employees can easily access it. If you want to see how we connected this with Slack, check out the previous video. I've linked it at the end. If you want to build this, check the link below. Save this for later, share it with your HR team, and follow for more no-code integration video like this.